The broadcast is now starting. All
Sound
attendees
came
are
and
in
went.
listen-only mode.
Sound check. Sound? Okay, it's good. Came, went, back now. Yee. All right, well, as long as you guys can hear me, we're good. Fellas, today, as you all know, is CPI. I think the number is expected somewhere between 4.9 and 5.1. I'll check the site in a bit. And I'm hoping everybody is in the room by now for the 8:30 news. CPI is one of the most notoriously difficult trades outside of maybe FOMC, especially the first hour or two. If you guys are intent on trading a combine account, I would caution you, not a combine, a funded account, I would caution you. Okay? The first hour or two can be horrific. I do not expect that we will do any trades in the pre-market. Now, I could be, wrong. Maybe we get a very clean FOMC, meaning it's a very big miss or a very big beat, and we should have some clear direction. Generally, it's not. They're within the parameters. And if it's within the parameters, while it will afford you guys to certainly do a burn one to earn one, I suspect price will trap longs and shorts on both ends. Good morning, Deepak. So I suspect that we have a number of you guys that will be doing burn one to earn one. If I have any trials in the room that would like, good morning, Sam, would like to do a burn one to earn one and are unfamiliar with how it works, please let me know. I will go over it. There's no point really in doing charts. I mean, I'll show the ES, I'll show the NASDAQ where we're at, but it's all going to change. So it's really kind of moot. But just be aware if you guys are trading PA accounts that today is, at least the first hour is not optimal. Okay? In any event, good morning. Today is Wednesday. It is my last day in the room until Monday. I am not. I personally will not do a burn one to earn one. And good morning, Amin. I currently have 5 and 5 that have cleared. 2 in the last 2 days with that new trend bot. Yesterday, I'll show you yesterday's trade. This was yesterday. The bot did $3,130 yesterday. I personally have no need for more funded accounts. I can't trade them all. Generally, with the market the way it's been, I rarely get through more than 2 PA accounts in a day. As I've told you guys before, I trade them individually. While I think that the trade copier has merit, my personal opinion, this is an opinion, is that if you're trading multiple PA accounts on the trade copier and you make a mistake, that mistake is exacerbated by the amount of PA accounts that you're trading. So if you lose 400 on an account, you've lost it on the number of accounts that you're trading, which for most traders creates a great deal of angst and frustration. And many traders go into that mindset of, now I've got to get it back. I don't trade that way. I do not trade that way. If I have a down day, I don't look at it and say, tomorrow I've got to get back $400 plus make 400. I've got to make $800 tomorrow. I don't look at it that way. But in any event, I have the trade copier. I don't use it. Now, next week, my NASDAQ bot done for the day. It caught one trade for $1,100. This is the trade. Caught that trade for $1,100. Okay. Crude is on. It's not ES. It's got to be gold. Took a trade. It did. Gold is short on the bot. All right, we're getting a pullback now. I do not think Thank you, Lori. I appreciate that. Let them chop around here, guys. This is the initial move is over. Whatever that move is, obvious, up. But the initial move is now complete. So let them. If you guys wanted to try along, you have support here at 67 and then below at 59. Volume is heavy, to be expected. Let's see if there's any size trades in here. Interesting. I don't see any block trades. ES volume is also heavy. There's 5,200 contracts bought at 4,150. This is an area and another 4,150 at 4,150. Look at the blocks here. 196, 590. These are wholesale numbers. These are not retail. 590, 271, 124, and 148. You got a 142 with them, another 1,000. 245, 123, and 379. Big block spot, okay? Got an unfinished auction at 48. In a perfect world, we get a retracement to 4150. Big blocks all the way up. God dang it. No net buyers in gold. CME futures now projecting 3 rate cuts by the end of the year. Maybe. I don't know. Could be. Let me take a look at another chart. Gold is probably long here, guys, above the high of the day to 2060. And crude, yeah, dang. Crude is probably going to trade $74.05. I mean, no stretch there. It's 30 cents higher. I would have no interest in longs up here. Not getting that. Wouldn't be prudent. Well, we're going to need a pullback. I will be looking for calls on SPX. on pullbacks. Going to get a massive gap up. All right, NASDAQ's into support here. Going to get a bounce here, 70. I'll take a whiz. Come on, I'll take a winger here. Late again. Late to my own party. We do have sellers. Missed it again. Missed it again. Didn't fill me. All right, let's see here. It now has 4 contracts on. Again, it's sitting on support. Needs to break down below at least that swing at 43. And it can retrace much of that move. Still have about 8 minutes, guys. I'm thinking we get a pullback on the open, fellas. This is the area that has to break on gold. If it breaks, gold's going to get a ride. It's up 620 now. Bouncing off that. It's holding that support. That's the support. It's up $1,000. This is coming down. Looks like it's coming down. Still have just over 6 minutes. So it just added a 5th contract on the gold. It's now got 5 on. So this is a $50,000 account, guys. Yes, Stuart. Yep. It's holding 5-minute support here, but if that breaks down, this could come all the way down to 34, 37.4, and then 33.5, which would pass this combine. Come on, breakdown. There's 1,500. So the member price, those that already own the bot, $16.97 for the next 2 weeks. Come on, breakdown. See, 5 contracts. I basically need $1,800 is 3. I need about 30 more ticks. $16.97 for the new trend bot for those that already own the bot for the next 2 weeks. So the members get a discount. I'll send out an email to everybody. No, permanent. Permanent. It's setting up a bull flag on a 5-minute. It needs to break down. It needs to break down quickly. Yes, Rich. Yeah. Yeah, the creator will be doing videos on the bot. Yes. This was not my brainchild. I've said that before. All right, guys, here we go. 40 seconds. I have the NASDAQ on as well on the trend bot. It hasn't taken a trade yet. 15. Come on, gold breakdown. All right, it's now got 6 contracts on, up 1,700. 1,800. Come on, dog. Sitting on some support here, needs to break down below 2040. 2040 has to break, and this is crushed. 2040 breaks on gold, we get 37. Small buyers on NASDAQ. All right, guys. This could bounce back up to 44 on gold. I'm going to close this out here, I think. Take the 1,040 and let it go. Let me adjust some charts. SPY. Like to see a pullback. There's a gap at 44.15. This is that breakout level on NASDAQ. 85. Crude is short on the bot, my bot. And looks like gold is going to break down. NASDAQ pushing really stiff resistance here, guys. There are buyers. We have 3,200 on the day, but having a hard time at this massive resistance. If it gets up through 14.15, she rips. So that's kind of the line in the sand. No sellers showing up, but again, that's why I said if you want to be patient. Come on, push up through. Let's go. One more rip. Nice job, Hubert. Nope, she failed. Crude got target. All right, guys. Flat. I don't think we pull back. NASDAQ has not taken a trade yet on the trend bot. This is resistance here. Worth a short here. Small buys. And we should drift back down to 46. I would short 63. There are some buyers. Gold getting a bid. Gold getting a bid. All right, cancel that. Gold should trade back to 54. There it goes. Whoop, there it is. Gold is going to 54. Back up. Crude is doing nothing. SPY trying to hold support here. It's back into 411.76. That's cool. Oh, gold. Gold got targets. Yeah, I don't trade crude on inventory day. I forgot. And did trade crude. I forgot today was Wednesday. Anybody long gold? Blasting off. Yes, Stuart. Yeah. Long's got it. Okay, Nolan. I still like shorts, fellas. I'll short Nas. What the hell is that on 8? I'll short NASDAQ again when it rolls over. Down to 500 net buyers on NASDAQ. Target again is 28. Here's the rollover. I'm short. I sold 3. I'll take 1 at 28, 29. Call it 30. You're going to dick me around? Let's go. All right. NASDAQ is now short on the trend bot. Has 1 on. We're sitting on yesterday's high. It's holding yesterday's high. Still holding yesterday's high. We're down below 400 net buyers. Just break it. Let's go. Come on, dipshit. Still holding yesterday's high. Come on, break it down. Break it down. Push. Come on, sellers. Below 300 net buyers. Just holding yesterday's high. If you guys want to take risk off, feel free. Below 300, back above 300, this is the fight. Gold is long in the trend bot with 5. And it does not want to give up Friday's high, fellas. Yesterday's high. One candle break and it's gone. Below 39, it's gone. We're going below 200 net buyers. We're headed to a negative delta. This can't be. We're back over 300. 100 buyers just came in. Gold on the trend bot now has 8 contracts on. NASDAQ has the 1. NASDAQ, there's buying again in the NASDAQ. Still holding yesterday's high. It broke it. The sellers couldn't get them. I'm out. I'm out. Back into resistance here. Could trade back to 84. Jeez. Doop-de-doing everywhere, fellas. Back up to 800 buyers. My level now, I could have been long on this move above 58 with a target at 67 and then 70. I closed that trade on NASDAQ, guys. Come on, let's get the high of the day and rip. Up 51.8%. Yeah, we're long on SPY. I mean, ES. We're going to probably, I would think, get 75. Yeah. Come on. We're right at the breakout, guys. Here it goes. Too bad this NASDAQ trend bot only has 2 contracts on because it's up 1,600. Breakout. Come on, baby. Breakout. There it goes. SPY. We didn't quite get gap fill, but we got about half gap fill. SPY as well. Back up to 3,000 net buyers, guys. Now support is 07. I will take this long again on the next bar. I'll add in on a pullback. 480 is where I think we get to. 480. 450 anyways. Got 1,900 on the trend bot with 2 contracts. Too bad this son of a bitch didn't have 5 on. It'd be a past combine already. A little bit of resistance here if you want to take some risk off. NASDAQ has some resistance right here. Got to get above that 30 area. Above 30, we trade 40, 36, 37, and then 455. Need another 25 handles from here to pass this combine, right? So 21, 450, call it 455. If we get to that, if we get to what my target is, this will pass a combine with 2 contracts. That would be the first time I've seen it do that on 2 cars. Come on, keep it going. There we go. 21, 22. Come on, baby. 3 contracts would have been passed. Oh, well. Come on, NASDAQ. Push above this stupid resistance. Let's go. Nice job, Mike. Should get, if we can get a 15-minute close above this 26, which is in 5 minutes, we should get to 57. Come on, NASDAQ, push through the stupid resistance. Little bullshit resistance here. Then we have some at 36, 37. That's a place if you want to take some risk off, you can. My Dom's frozen. No, it's not. God damn it. 36 areas. It's got to get through this high and it gets 36. So I'll try to get one about 34. Yeah, we've got sellers creeping in though. 500 sellers in this candle. And we're obviously stumped here. If you guys want to take some risk off, feel free. It's pushing resistance up here. If it breaks up, it goes 36. And above that, we get 450. Come on, one more breakout. Let's go. 10 seconds to the next 3-minute bar. They're trying to buy some back. Sellers 500 plus in this candle. Here we go, new bar. Lower high, double top at the high, and now a lower high in this candle open. Got to push through 29.25. All right, I took risk off there. Couldn't get it yet. Took risk off there. It could still go, fellas, but they're selling them here. I would take this on a pullback to 15. Yeah, I like it at 15. And here comes the push. Dink. 1,500, 1,600. Come on, push another 300 bucks and it's done. Passes a combine. 1,700. Come on, dog. Come on, big guy. Come on, 1,800, 1,900, 2,100. Hit the close button. $3,260. Pass combine. 3 days in a row. Boom! 3 days in a row. Not bad, huh, fellas? That's 3 days in a row. You like that? Some ECB officials think a September rate hike may be needed. Well, what does that mean? They're going to hike June, July, August, and September? This is why you scale out of option trades. 6 in a PA account, up 800. Come on, dog. All right, I closed it. I closed it for now. That 1 minute's getting a little scary. Well, the smaller the time frame, the more trades it will take, because the averages cross on a 1 minute opposed to a 10 minute, right? Just using common sense. So that 1 minute, in which I've not done much, that 1 minute probably at the open or just thereafter, where you've got a lot of momentum, would probably work really well. You can do 30 seconds. I mean, there's no point to me to do 30 seconds. It's already past a combine on a 10-minute chart. That's 3 combines passed in 3 days, one each day. Anybody have any questions on that trend bot? Crude at plus 3 million barrels, gasoline So that's the let me take it to a 3 minute and see what it gives me. Yes, Mimi. Yeah. Yeah, I don't use it with targets though. Yeah, probably. So let's just take a look at let me do this. So let's do this. I'm going to inside what looks like a larger bear flag. ES bot just took a short. Looks like gold got 2 targets on the bot. It's down $400 though. All right, where is that, guys? Come on, give me that damn. God, Ninja's so slow today. Really slow. Yeah, I'm going to get green on this next move. But we're coming into support again here. Guys, we only have 250 net 230 now net buyers. SPY looks like 411 puts. SPY 411 puts. 411 puts SPY. Trendbot short on a 3 minute, 2 contracts. That's on a PA account. PA account. We get a 3 minute close below this channel, I will be short. 411 SPY puts. First target is 411.29, 410.75. Come on, close. That's my short area, 84. First target is 69. Call it 70. Call it 72. The fudge. We bounced off the pivot, R2. We now have a negative delta on the ES. They've sold everything back. I'm sorry, NASDAQ. They've sold everything back. Junior, send me an email, will you please? And tell me what you want. Come on, NASDAQ breakdown. Closing in on 300 contract negative delta. I mean, it's not exorbitant, but we had 3,000 positive. They've sold everything back. Still bouncing off this pivot. Once it breaks this pivot, we probably trade back to 55. Okay. Still pinging off that damn pivot. Selling is increasing. There it goes. Here comes target one. Boom, chaka, how you say laka. Boom, chaka, laka. Target one hit and smashed. PA accounts up 1,000, 1,100 bucks on two contracts. 1,300 bucks on two contracts. 1,400 bucks. Now 7 contracts added in. Got 7 contracts on a PA account. 1,500 bucks, $2,000 day on a PA account. $2,600 day on a PA account. 27, 29, 29. Do I hear 3,000? Can I get a 3,000 for a brother? Got to be 3,000 unless I'm lagging. Got to be 55. I closed it. I don't know where I'm at because I'm lagging like a mofo. All right, so not bad. Passed a combine, did 1680 on a PA account. That's on a 3-minute. I'll take one more off here. So I got one to play with for a complete breakdown. Value area low, we could get a bounce, right? Basic, look. Is there anybody that I mean, I don't know if I have any trials in here. That's up $6,000. It did $9,000. I don't even know where that trade came from. I have no idea. Wasn't even watching. Don't even know where that trade came from. Did 9,500. Too bad it's a waste of money. Why couldn't that have been on my PA account and not know it? Yeah, that's the trend bot. I had no idea where that trade came from. No clue. What in the holy hell does 9,500 do for me? Nothing. I needed $3,000. That's the account. I was at 3,200 and I shut it off, or I closed the trade. I didn't shut the bot off. Yeah, bonus contract doesn't do me any good. Seriously. Maybe I'll call Apex. Look, guys, basic. Let me just close this out. I'll leave it. It's not hurting me. Anybody buy 411 SPY puts? Did anybody on the planet buy SPY 411 puts? You are racking the totals. 60 cents. Where are they now? Because I didn't buy them. I didn't have time. Where are they now? $1.40. It's 125% gain. I would, let me see where it could come. 409.85, next target. 409.85. 409.85. 409.34. Schnikes! All right, done for the day here, up 17.95. Getting a bounce. Making money, fellas. Look, basic technical analysis. Let me just make sure I got nothing else on here. Why couldn't that have been $9,000 in a free? I'll go over bots real quick. ES on the original bot lost 162 bucks. Crude, I inadvertently traded it today. I forgot today was Wednesday. Made 210. NASDAQ up 1,130. I did not run the YM today. I just don't have the ability to manage 6 bots, order flow trades, option trades. And gold was down 420. It's 420 somewhere, right? So that's where we're at on the originals. Not sure, Mimi. I'll have to find out. So let me just address the broker NinjaTrader license and a TD Ameritrade account. You can connect your TD Ameritrade account to NinjaTrader. That's how I'm getting Tesla data or SPY data or SPX data, etc. Okay? In the drop-down menu will be your TD Ameritrade account. You would then put this SPY on TD, let's go back to SPY. So here's SPY, right? I would then put my TD Ameritrade account here, and it would execute a SPY trade based on TD Ameritrade. I think the only question I have is how would it recognize, or how do you recognize either the strike or days to expiration? So I don't know. Let me say that. I don't know. Now on a stock, it's just going to buy the price, right? In any event, if anybody is interested, you can give me a call. I'm sorry, send me an email. Let me do this. Hang on, guys. Because nobody will believe this shit. I don't believe it. That was a gaffe. I didn't even know I had the thing on. There you go. I don't know, Ed. I'm going to send him. I saw his email to me earlier today. Thank you, Dennis. I saw his email to me earlier today asking for my videos. My videos in totality, which I send to new members, there are 5 videos, average about 4 minutes a piece. So no, the videos I'm sure he'll do them within the 2 weeks window. Yes, but they will only be available after purchase. I'm not sending out the videos to anybody on how it works in the inner workings and how to set it up. I'm not doing that. If you purchase the bot, you will get the videos. Looks like Armageddon here, guys. All right, fellas, have a blessed couple of days. I will see everybody.